Hi everyone, this is Vicky from techTongBo. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing and taking a closer look at the Roborock P20 Max. From the outside, it looks quite similar to the previous P20 Ultra Plus, so the biggest change isn't in the design. The real upgrades lie in cleaning performance, obstacle climbing, carpet cleaning, and the self-cleaning dock. One of the biggest highlights of the P20 Max is its chest lifting system with AI-powered wheels. Instead of simply bumping into obstacles, the robot can lift itself and use the new swing arm wheels to cross over thresholds, sledding tracks, and carpet edges more smoothly. According to the product information, it supports up to 8.8 cm of double-layer obstacle climbing. This makes it especially useful for homes with door thresholds, balcony tracks, carpets, or other uneven floor areas. Another important feature is the slim body design. The P20 Max is only about 7.95 cm high, which allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and other low-clearance furniture. These are usually the areas where dust builds up the most, but they are also the hardest places to clean manually, right? For vacuuming, the P20 Max comes with 35,000 pascal suction power. This is designed to handle dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris across all floor types. Carpet cleaning is also a key upgrade. When the robot detects a carpet, it can adjust the body height dynamically, so the suction inlet maintains an optimal cleaning distance. It also adds a main brush pressing function, which helps improve deep cleaning performance on carpets. This is important because carpet vacuuming is one of the most difficult tasks for a robot vacuum. For homes with pets or long hair, the P20 Max also focuses on anti-tangling performance. The zero-tangle brush system helps reduce hair tangling around the main brush, making daily maintenance easier. Now let's look at the mopping system. During cleaning, the robot uses 60-degree hot water for mopping. This helps soften and dissolve dried stains, especially in kitchens or dining areas. After cleaning, the robot returns to the dock for automatic mop washing. The dock uses 100-degree hot water to wash the mop, helping remove dirt, grease, and residue from the mop pads more effectively. For tougher stains, the system can also perform repeated washing and repeated mopping. This means the robot can go back to the dock, clean the mop again, and then return to the floor for another round of mopping, improving the final cleaning result. The dock also helps reduce daily maintenance. It supports mop washing, self-cleaning, drying, and other automatic maintenance functions. After each cleaning session, the robot can wash the mop, clean the base area, and dry the mop to help reduce odor and keep the system cleaner for the next use. This makes the P20 Max feel less like a single robot vacuum and more like a complete cleaning system. For users, the biggest benefit is simple: less manual mop washing, less frequent maintenance, and a truly hands-free experience. Overall, the Roborock P20 Max is designed for more complex home environments, especially homes with carpets, thresholds, sliding tracks, low furniture, pet hair, or dried floor stains. If you are looking for compatible brushes, filters, or mop pads, or customized accessory set, feel free to contact us for more options. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the P20 Max. Whether you are a user or a retailer, we offer full accessory support.